Namaste dosto, welcome to the new video of Tally. In last video I discussed about stock journal, and in this video I'll be talking about physical stock voucher. So for that I need to record a sales transaction also. I'll show you how to do. Let's do it practically to understand. Shortcut for sales voucher is F8, and here you can see on right hand side, here you can see sales voucher. Now suppose I have to record 3 cash sales transactions, so I'll show you how to do. Since this is not a credit cell, so party name would be cash account, and date I'll change to 1st April. Same entry I'll record on 1st May as also. Sales. Name of item, I am selling sports shoes, because in last video I showed you how to produce. Quantity, suppose I am selling 8 and 2500. I'll accept the entry. Now come back by pressing escape. Go to day book. So this entry I recorded. Now I'll duplicate the entry by pressing Alt 2, and I'll just change the date 01/05. Same entry will be recorded. Oh no, sorry, I duplicated different entry. This one I need to duplicate. So I'll accept. Again I'll duplicate, and for June also I'll repeat. So 3 sales entries I recorded. Now we will see physical stock voucher. Again go to voucher, then other vouchers. Physical stock you can see here down. Shortcut is Control F7. Because we need to check how much physically the stock is there. Accordingly we do the physical stock. Here I am overwriting the stock to 1000 kgs, which is actual figure. So friends, I hope that you understood the use of physical stock voucher in Tally, because there could be discrepancy in what we recorded in books and what we actually have. So we do it to overwrite, or whatever there is in hand, that we record in physical stock, because that is only the actual figure. This may vary from what we recorded. So at year end, or however you do the counting, you just go and update or override the number as per the actual figure. Okay, thank you friends, hope that you understood the concept of physical stock. Thank you. Next video for Tally would be very important, because I'll be telling you about some shortcuts which will be very useful while you show report to your senior or boss, and that will be very useful. I'll show you one or two. We go to balance sheet, and then there you can filter the date, for what period you want to see. Because see, for internal audit we do quarterly audit, or the like monthly also we do. So here you can see from here you can filter the period. This is educational mode, so it won't take 30th. I will take 31st July. Okay. Similarly, I'll talk about more shortcuts which will be very useful. Second useful shortcut was Alt F1. If you press Alt F1, then you will get the condensed or detailed report. See, this is condensed report. Now if you want more details, then again you can press Alt F1. See, like in current liabilities, duties and taxes, and sundry creditors. So details you can see on the face of balance sheet. That will be very useful while presenting the report. Thank you friends. Some more shortcuts, very useful shortcuts, I'll be talking tomorrow in my next video. Thank you.